Hello, so I've done an update on the scopes, which I'm going to show, and I'm actually going to show it in VR so you can see how they're supposed to look. So I have two scopes here, one in each hand, so it's my right hand, it's my left hand. So I guess we'll start with the right hand, we'll go here. So what I have here is the scope just set up so you can see it with my eye. So I'm going to have my left eye, I believe you see. So you'll see it as we move side to side, up and down. Kind of wiggle the scope around as well as moving it out. We'll see this shrink, and bringing it in, we'll see it kind of open up so we can see properly. Now hitting my right trigger, I'm going to be able to toggle the zoom, so I'll go ahead and do that. There we go, so you can see zoom in, zoom out, no problems. And now hitting the grip, I'm going to turn the glow off, so you can see it's off there. It's a bit harder to see, and on we can see properly. Now I'm going to go ahead and switch to the other controller here and show that one. So this one's kind of set up to be a hybrid scope. So you can see it's flipped down, flipped up, like that there. So we'll start by showing the front. So you can see the reflex sight here. Follows our eye and stays perfectly on target when we move. Good stuff. Okay, and we'll flip the scope up by hitting the trigger. Up it goes. And now we can see in here we have it magnified. Perfect, and you can see that this has the same properties as the prior scope, except it's using the reticle from the front reflex rather than on the actual scope itself. So we can see that here. All right, now I'm going to show the actual features of the scopes with the customization I've done over the last few days. So I'm going to hit my grip to switch to nighttime here. All right, and I'll start with my right hand scope again. And what we'll do is we'll go just look around here regularly. You'll see it's really dark, it's hard to make out anything. So we're going to switch to nighttime mode, and I'm going to do that by hitting my right on my motion controller. There we go. And now we can see in night vision. So I'll give you a look at that there. Also zoom in and out. Okay, and now we'll switch to thermal vision. So I'll hit left on the motion controller. There we go. So now we're seeing in thermal vision. So we see heat. And if you notice, everything else I see in my eye is just dark. Okay, and now we'll do that on the other controller here as well. Okay, so you see with it up, we'll go ahead and switch on night vision here. Hang on. Sorry, here we go. Night vision on. Perfect. And so you can see everything kind of washes out a little bit, except for the characters are kind of a nice bold color. And everything else is a bit like dim to see. So it's actually pretty close to real night vision from what I've studied on at least. And so now I'll go to thermal vision here. Snap that on. There we go. Perfect. And as you can see, we can flip it down and we'll just have that regular sight. And through here, we're looking through it without the reticle up front. So you can see if I look at it here, it's just like a regular scope almost. Okay. So that's where I'm at. Hopefully you guys like it. Leave a comment in the comment section, and we'll see you in the next one.